It's nature's gentle embrace, a soothing elixir cultivated through centuries of mindful tradition. Its vibrant, verdant leaves hold not just a delicate flavor, but also the calm energy of a timeless ritual, a moment of pause and reflection in our busy lives, gently reminding us of the beauty and importance of harmony and well being. Green tea offers a bounty of benefits beyond its calming ritual. Rich in antioxidants and natural polyphenols, it helps protect the body against free radicals, supports a healthy metabolism, and may even promote cardiovascular health. Its subtle caffeine boost, paired with the soothing amino acid L-theanine, encourages mental clarity and focus while avoiding the jittery energy often associated with other stimulants. Just outside the bustle of Fukuoka City, in a quiet corner of Minami Ward, there's a tea farm where time slows down. This is Ushijima Seicha, a fourth-generation family-run tea farm, handcrafting green tea the old way. This city contributes approximately 3% to the nation's overall green tea production. It is particularly renowned for its exceptional quality, especially in producing gyokuro, a premium shade-grown green tea. Step 1. Tea leaf harvesting. The journey begins in the lush tea fields of Yamei. Skilled farmers handpick young tea leaves at their peak, ensuring only the most tender, flavorful leaves make the cut. This precision is what sets Yamei's tea apart. This city contributes approximately 3% to the nation's overall green tea production. It is particularly renowned for its exceptional quality, especially in producing gyokuro, a premium shade-grown green tea. Step 2. Steaming. To preserve the vibrant green color and lock in the freshness, the freshly picked leaves are immediately steamed. This critical step stops the oxidation process, giving Yamei tea its signature, delicate flavor and aroma. Step 3. Cooling. After steaming, the leaves are cooled down quickly to maintain their texture and prevent any further heat-induced changes. This rapid cooling ensures the leaves retain their freshness and nutrients.
So these blades go in a circular motion to squeeze all the moisture out of the tea leaves. Cool. So this machine rolls the tea back and forth.
These rolling pedals smooth out the tea to give it its look and visual beauty.
So this machine rolls the tea back and forth to give it its nice pointy shape.
Blend this machine.
This machine blends the tea.
One ton.
1 ton. 1 ton, wow. So for this one, we have to wipe ourselves down. Got a really good wipe myself with this roller. Can't have any dust on here. Have to wear this cap. Okay, let's go. Whoa.
After crude tea, aracha, is produced. It still contains a mix of leaf sizes, stems, powder, and sometimes off-colored pieces. Sorting and finishing is the process that transforms this rough product into high-quality, uniform tea ready for sale. color sorting is a finishing step in tea production that uses high-speed cameras and sensors to detect and remove any discolored or off-grade tea particles. After the tea is dried and shaped, it passes through a color sorting machine that scans each piece based on its color, size, and shape. When the system identifies leaves that are too yellow, brown, or otherwise inconsistent with the ideal vibrant green color, it uses a quick burst of air to separate and remove them. This helps eliminate overprocessed leaves, stems, or foreign materials that slipped through earlier steps. The goal is to create a final product that's visually uniform and high in quality, especially important for premium teas, where appearance matters as much as flavor.
This area is expansive.
How many boxes of tea do you make a day?
The exact number of boxes produced and stored each day can vary depending on the scale of the farm and the season. At a mid-sized, quality-focused operation like Ushijima Seicha, during peak production periods, especially after first or second harvest, they typically process and pack around 100 to 300 boxes per day. Each of these boxes usually contains bulk packed tea, often in vacuum sealed or nitrogen flushed inner bags, and is labeled with detailed information for storage or shipping. The climate controlled storage room is carefully organized to allow proper rotation of stock and prevent overcrowding, with shelf life and freshness as top priorities.
The legendary matcha machine.
Stem tea.
Stem tea.
Yes.
The stem tea. Stem tea.
Stem tea.
Okay, this one is the
Leaf, tea leaf. 普通の煎茶
okay. And this is the powder. Okay. Tea leaf field?
New leaves.
New leaves.
Yes.
Wow, new leaves. These are actual tea leaves. Wow.
The smoothness and freshness of the tea is just amazing. Learning about how green tea is made gave me a new level of appreciation. It's not just a drink, it's a craft shaped by generations of knowledge. Hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you're interested in a tour while visiting Fukuoka, I'll list all the company's info in the description below. See you next time.